Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Your home for the info you need to know when you're just trying to survive on a budget. This is going to be the first episode of My Fat Life. That's the name I can come up for the series. But we're going to cover what I'm doing to try to get my weight under control. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, this is going to be the first episode of My Fat Life. I'm not going to go into too much detail, like flavor-wise, food review style. I'll do that as I go. But I'm on Facebook, and this lady, Suzanne, I don't know if I'm supposed to use her last name or not, works, she's a diet coach or life coach. I forget. If you're watching this, I'm sorry. I forget her exact title. But she works with this Optivia. And what it is, it's a diet program. It does involve food. You gotta buy food. But it's like $400. But you can, I don't know if I'm gonna have all this on camera, but you get a lot of food and a shaker, 2 books, and this little like log book thingy, I'm gonna call it. Okay. Keep track of your progress, what you're eating, what you're doing. But it comes with a lot of food. The books, the shaker. Now when they first sent it, they didn't have anything wrapped in plastic. And you can see what happened, which kind of disappointed me because I wanted to get started on this a week ago. But it totally ruined the books. I mean, I don't know who to blame, the person that shipped it or the company. I mean, I wish they would have wrapped stuff in plastic. But what it is, you eat 5, they call them fuelings. Like, you'll have a box. This is honey, mustard, and onion sticks. Okay, you'll have so many packets. Okay, in a box. This one is 100 calories. So basically, you just choose any 5 packets. It doesn't matter what, you know. Because, I mean, it comes with pancakes. It comes with these I'm going to call them granola bars. Creamy double peanut butter crisp bar. It comes with some kind of cake. Cinnamon, cream cheese swirl cake. And what you do, you just take 5. You eat those 5 every 2.5 to 3 hours. I'm sorry. You eat those 5, one every 2 to 3 hours. Now, I was doing it at 2.5, and I found I was getting bloated. So I'm going to try to spread it out to 3 hours. Like, have a honey mustard and onion stick packet for breakfast or whatever. Then 3 hours later, have the roasted garlic creamy potatoes. Then 3 hours later, have the cake. Then maybe 3 hours later, have the jalapeno poppers. But that's basically how you do it. And what I did is I went out and I bought these little binder clips. Okay. And what I'll do is take like 5 packets of different stuff. And bind them together. So that covered. And that'll be one day. And do that for like a week. Now, right now, I'm at a weight of 298.5 pounds, which is ridiculous. I'm ridiculously overweight. My goal is this time next year, well, I want to say by my 51st birthday, I'd like to be down to at least 200. No, 200 would be great. 180 would be better, but 200 I can live with. I'm just I don't like the way I look. I don't like the way I feel. I go out and do these videos, and like the graveyard videos, I notice I'm not walking around as much. I'm getting short-winded. I'm getting tired more quickly. So I knew I had to do something. And I know it sounds expensive. You get these little boxes. Like, this is roasted tomato and herb pure panini. You know, for $415. But it's a month's worth of food, basically. Even though you got to cook a meal a day. Which, what I did, and I'll have a recipe to it. I just made a whole bunch of chicken stir fry. And I'm going to divide that out through the next week or so. You know, you get like a cup and a half of food. Or 2 cups, something like that. It's in the video. I'll talk about it in the video. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and give this a try. I'm not sure how often I'm gonna do videos for it. And this ain't a sponsored video. This is out of my own pocket. $400 came out of my own pocket. They replaced the books for free, which they should have. Somebody ought to be held accountable for it. But I just want to give everybody the game plan. I'll do like a food review, like a one-day food review of just whatever I grab and eat. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, get off of here. Hopefully you stick around for the series, you enjoy the video. I know there's other people out there struggling with their weight. This has some decent reviews, so I figured I'd give it a try. I found that the price was rather reasonable. You know, $400 sounds like a lot, but I'm probably spending that on close to groceries. Well, probably not that much. Probably, I'm gonna say about $300 on groceries. But it's well worth the price. You don't have to be on food for the rest of your life. They do switch it. Like right now, it's 5 to 1. There are 5 of these, 1 green, lean and green meal. Then you go down to 3 and 3. 3 of these, 3 lean and green meals. But at least I'll have an idea of where to start and what to do and how to change my eating habits and get that down to where it's just second nature.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Okay, just real quick, I'm gonna show you my gut because I looked in the mirror. I think that's what really hit me is when I looked in the mirror and actually see my stomach. It's like, man, that's bad. That's I found myself rather disgusting. So, if you don't want to see my belly, now's a good time to stop. I'll say right now, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. So I'm gonna count to 3. Get up and you can. I'm wearing shorts and you can see my belly. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty bad. We used to have a fat guy competition at work, and I used to lose, but yeah, I guarantee you I got it covered. But we'll keep track of this, see how my progress goes. Do me a favor, click that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.